This video is going to help us measure the volume of an irregular object. The irregular object that we're going to use is this bolt. And this metal bolt is irregular because it doesn't have definite sides that can be easily measured. We can't just use length times width times height to measure its volume. So in order to measure its volume, which again is how much space it takes up, we're going to use the displacement method. In order to do the displacement method, there's a couple simple steps that we can do quite easily. First of all, you start with the graduated cylinder and you put some water in the graduated cylinder. In this case, I just use some food coloring to make the water yellow so that we can see it a little bit more clearly. You measure the amount of water, you measure the volume of water in the graduated cylinder ahead of time. In this case, it would be 77 milliliters. So as we're measuring 77 milliliters ahead of time, the next step is to put the irregular object into the graduated cylinder. I'm going to take it and just kind of slide it down the side so it doesn't hurt the glass graduated cylinder. And obviously you can see now that the level of the water went up, and that's because the object is in there, the metal bolt is in there. Now we have, instead of 77 milliliters, we have 79 milliliters. So the volume of the bolt and the water together is 79 milliliters. So if water alone was 77, the water and the bolt now together are 79 milliliters. All we have to do is subtract those two numbers to find the volume of the bolt. So 79 minus 77 would be 2 milliliters. The volume of the bolt, our irregular object, would be 2 milliliters.